Okay, dear viewers, today in this video I'm going to discuss about the questionnaire data entry. So before that, you must have an idea about a clear image about how that data is going to be analyzed and what are the factors and how it's going to be influenced, what are the results, possible results. These things you need to be aware of, these things. So first of all, you need to have a good picture of your data analysis. Then only you can end up with a good research analysis. So for that, I'm doing this simple video uh, to aid my SPSS upcoming lessons. So you see, usually a questionnaire consists of two things. So this is specifically related to knowledge, attitude, and practice survey. So in this survey, usually a questionnaire model, and this may consist of factors and these three things: knowledge, attitude, and practice. So some people may include only knowledge, some people may include attitude only, some people practice, some people add all three or maybe two of this or whatever. So at the end of your analysis, at the end of your survey, according to your objectives, there are two possible outcomes for knowledge, attitude, or practice. Those are a good knowledge, or either it may be end up with poor knowledge. Or if you consider attitudes, that may be good or poor. Practice, good or poor. So there are two possible outcomes in a research. And then later you are going to analyze how these factors gonna influence on these things. So separately, each factor need to be analyzed, and how this each individual factor that influences knowledge, attitude, or practice. So this is going to be age. So these are three examples of factors which can be influenced for the knowledge, attitudes, and practice. So age can directly influence on good knowledge or maybe poor knowledge. Likewise, same thing, this can influence towards good attitude as well as poor attitude. And here also the same, good practice or poor practice. So let's say this age is categorized into two groups: people age less than 30 and greater than 30. People with less than 30 good knowledge and above 30 has poor knowledge. Likewise, you are categorizing. So this is the bigger picture of your data analysis, the final end. Same way, this gender also going to influence in knowledge and attitudes and practice as well. So here there are two possibilities, male or female, and there may be male or female, either one of the group gonna be influenced, maybe have superior in one of these things, like for example, males have good knowledge or females have poor knowledge. Likewise, it's going to be categorized. So this is the bigger picture of your research analysis. So first, with your questionnaire, you are going to give scoring for the knowledge, and then you are going to give scoring for the attitudes or practice, and with that scoring you are deciding whether that participant has good knowledge or poor knowledge. Then you're going to relate that outcome with factors. That is called factor analysis. So this is the simplest way that I can explain this. So this is the bigger picture that you can see.